On the semis, the lineup, I am looking at Levell obviously as the one or strongest contender to getting into the final, having with a medal in my predictions. And for Adrian Carr and Christopher Taylor, they're showing incredible heart. I like their performances. I just don't see them having easy path to the final. They would have to produce something like sub-20. They've never done that. But I respect what their efforts that they're doing.
The women's 200 is going to be super exciting. Ashanti and Sharika hopefully will get into the finals.
Final words.
Women's 200, Sharika Jackson, looking for her to defend her title.
Jamaican men are back on the podium in the 200.
Here's the schedule. Remember, you have to get up early tomorrow morning, so you can go to bed now. We start at 5:15, and we go till about 8:50, and a number of Jamaicans involved in that one. All right, so thank you all for staying up with us on behalf of Ricardo, our producer, and the group here, Bruce and Double D and Coach Riley. 6 medals, but we're not in second spot. I'll tell you why, because we don't have the gold medals, but we are, I think we should be in third as a number of medals. Here it is. Where is it? It'll soon come up. Soon show you. I don't lie. There you go. So we have 6, so we should be in third spot, but because third spot number of medals, but because we don't have as many gold medals as some of the teams ahead of us, which is why we are down there. God bless you all. Have a great night and join us in the morning.